breakfast sandwiches. And poi for lunch. Oh, there's Vicky's Yoki Yolk. Oh, it's okay. Mine without spam. Open face. Spam and eggs. You guys like it? Well, Leah was being a brat about it earlier. Lily ready for her poi?
No. No, mommy.
No.
Bo.
Lily want her poi.
Mom, buy more poi for you. It's empty.
I know she's right. This is the last of it. It's like a poi shortage. You can't find it.
Wait, no, vad hände med sugrören?
Nope. Your dad went back and never have.
I'm clear.
He's gone. I went Don Quixote to look. Don Quixote never have either. Not even the other brand. The one in the bag. The poi brand one. This is Lily's favorite.
You can fit in here.
Water.
Can I fit in there too?
You should always...
I should always let.
Mom, big hand. I can't know mine was taller than
Cute
yours.
poi?
Nope, it's that one.
Always leave your fish.
Okay.
I forgot avocado.
Yeah, you want avocado?
What's happening there? So this was supposed to be like an eat with us video, but we went somewhere and I forgot to bring you guys with us. So I'm gonna do a little breakdown and I'll insert pictures. So first we went to a little island traveling. So first we went to Waihole Poi Factory and we got this amazingness. This is warm kulolo with halpia ice cream and it is delicious. That was my first time trying it. I knew about it but I just never went and it was amazing. But I heard that their Hawaiian food wasn't that great or isn't that great. So we decided not to eat there. We just wanted to get that dessert. But then they were making fresh poi in the background. They were peeling the taro. And this baby only likes poi. She will grind poi. That's all she wants is poi. But it's like there's like a poi shortage because it's hard to find poi. But after eating a whole bunch of different brands, we kind of learned which ones is our favorite. Like, look, I have poi on my shirt. Because we just... Okay, so skip forward. So they said that it's going to take like about an hour and a half for the poi to be ready. So we went down the road to Kaneke's, which is another like Hawaiian food place, and their food sucked. I got garlic shrimp, Licky got hamburger steak, the girls got fried chicken, Licky's dad got adobo. Sucked buttholes. And she got poi. Their poi was so sour, like it was old, it wasn't fresh. Like I didn't care for it. She was like kind of eating it but not really. It was so watery. So we didn't like that. And then on our way back, we stopped back at Waihole Poi Factory and I bought 5 pounds of poi. So that's what we were just trying when we got home and it's amazing. It is amazing. I love it. But yeah, so that's that. I'm about to eat some ceviche. Like my fly swatter. We let a fly in the house, so I was trying to zap it to kill it. But I'm gonna eat some ceviche because my garlic shrimp sucked and I'm still hungry. And I made this for dinner last night. So I'm just gonna show it to you guys. Oh, I'll insert a clip right here about my ceviche. This is from last night. I was gonna make like a whole video, but it didn't happen yesterday. It got crazy and I didn't have time to finish my video and then eat for you guys. So I'll put that in now and then I'm about to go eat my ceviche. Say bye. Guys, so for today we will be eating a ceviche. So I've tried so much, but I've actually learned that I've tried the ones that they actually cook the shrimp prior to mixing it with all the goodness. So this one I'm actually cooking it in the lime juice as it's supposed to be like authentically. So I'm really nervous, but yeah. So I already I peeled the shrimp, I chopped them up into like little pieces, and then I put the lime juice in here, and it's just in this glass, and as if you can see, the lime is just almost covering the top, and as you can see, it's starting to turn orange, so it's starting to cook. But then I'm gonna go cut up the rest of the goodiness that's supposed to be in here and you'll see. So it's not really a recipe, it's just more like me just making it and then you watching us eat. We're gonna try that out. We're gonna try a little mukbang today, guys. So how I like to make mine is with some tostada. All the ones at the store were brocada. They were all broken, so it's kind of like chips or whatever. So usually what I do is I use the whole circle. I put mayo, ceviche, tapatio. But since thing is broken, this is how I did last night. I just put it there. I put some, I know we only got this big thing of mayo. And then I need a utensil. Plastic fork because it was right there. So I just make a pile of it. Make a pile. Are you going 99 on me? Are you going 99 on me? Make a pile. Then just shove that in there for now. Closey. Then on the other side, okay, you can see my plate. I'm gonna add some ceviche. This is the first time I made this with the raw shrimp. I'm gonna be cooking it in the lemon juice or whatever. Then I put some of that on here. Then shaky. Some tapatio. Then that's what I do. I'm busy making video. I dip it. Just like a thin layer. Scoop it. Eat it.
Keep her trusted.
You open the house. Bomb. It's bomb. She's not hungry, I just fed her. In my head.
What Eric's tasted?
I don't know.
The mayonnaise was left out.
I'm eating ceviche. I'm hungry. The shrimp sucked. And yeah. That's what I do. But that's what I did because all this broken. Scoopy. So usually I have cucumber. I totally forgot. But we have shrimp. We have white onion. I don't use purple onion just because I always have like Maui sweet onion or regular wet brown onion on hand. So I don't ever want to just buy a purple onion just because. So I don't use that. I got cilantro. I got green onions. Last time I didn't add green onions, but I don't know, I was thinking, but it tastes good. Tomatoes, salt, pepper, and Lorry seasoning salt. That's what I got in here. Wow. So at first I was really nervous about like the raw shrimp because it's just cooked in like the lemon juice. Can you see it? But it actually tastes so good. Like, it tastes like a regular. It doesn't taste like it's raw. Like, I was nervous about the texture being gooey or something, but it's like a perfectly cooked shrimp. Like, it's not rubbery. It actually has a lot of flavor. It's very good. Like, it tastes really good. I don't know what else to say. It's bomb. It's delicious. You want your bib? You want your bib? You want some watermelon? Yesterday I gave her watermelon, one of like those chewy baby things. She loved it. She was sucking that thing. Lily, want watermelon? No, I'm gonna make it for her right now. Watch her for me. Just kidding. Her chewy thing is dirty. I don't want to wash it down lately, but she's fine. I swear she's not hungry. She just had poi. She good. It's like a little mukbang, right? Hear me eat. You guys hear the crunch? It's so weird. You see yourself? You see mommy? Or you see Lily? You see mommy or you see Lily? She loves herself in the mirror. I think she's confused because she sees me, but she doesn't understand that that's what she looks like. Oh no. Oh, what's wrong? Oh. Okay, we're gonna go now. Just see what else we eat as the day goes on. Oh, did I say that the girls had fried chicken? I did, yeah. Went crazy. So for dinner, it's hot, baby. Leftovers, they're fried chicken that they got. They can't see, guys. They can't see, guys. So that's what they're gonna have. Their leftover fried chicken from Kaneka's. So for dinner, I'm gonna have my leftover garlic shrimp, which this garlic is so burnt and gets stuck in my teeth. I don't even like it. And then here's Licky's leftover. So it's a leftover type of dinner. Oopsie, I warmed up his thing in there. That's hot now. I warmed up his hamburger steak. And then Lily is going to be eating her poi. So I hold a poi factory when that's hot. And it was literally just made fresh in front of us, hand pounded. It's amazing. And then we're going to eat our leftover ceviche. Lily ready for her poi? Nikki, you ready? Let me see. Oh, so excited. So excited. Oh, yeah. Look at mommy. It's so yummy.
Roll up like that.
She's very rude. Eat the poi. All local babies gotta eat the poi when they're able to eat. Whoa. Whoa. Shoot, she's getting so excited. You're gonna make a mess, Lily. How's these cute little Juicy Couture spoons? I was trying to be bougie. I found it when I was pregnant at Ross. Aw, man. Not the hand dirty. Not the hand dirty. Like, if you can see the side, it's all dry. Oh, dang it. Lily. Mullins, girl. It's all dry because it's from poi. All she eats all day, every day, is poi. That came in there. It's just the greens for the bottom. Yeah, when you guys are done eating, you guys can shower. Vicky's outside with his dad. They're measuring. Our outside sink got a hole. You can eat it. Oh no, don't eat the salad.
Then you better not eat that.
Yeah, don't eat the mac salad, baby. It's hot. No, but our laundry sink, if that's what you call it, utility sink, whatever. Ours, it cracked. But it was really ugly anyways. When we moved in here in February, that sink is so disgusting. But Licky really wanted like a double stainless steel one when we were going to make room or change around our washer and dryer so we could fit a bigger one. But I guess something fell in it and it cracked, or it just finally gave up. So there's just a hole on the bottom. So all the water just leaks out everywhere. So sorry if I'm kind of feeding her messy and the camera's shaky. I'm literally holding it with one hand and then trying to feed her with one hand. I can't keep her hands away from her mouth.
You need 2 hands. I want 2 hands.
But yeah, I'm going to finish feeding her and then feed myself and then shower these 2 other kids. Oh, okay. Or not. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're a mess now. Can you pick that up for mommy? I dropped my spoon. So for dessert, can you see? We got cookies and cream. Ari has of that. Oh no, mommy gotta wash it. It's on the ground. It's gonna have lint. And then Leia's eating. This is from the Asato family. It's like sherbet, whatever. Green River. That's all we had left out of all our packs.